What if AI could guide your health before you even visit a doctor? ChatGPT has introduced a powerful new health feature, and most people don't even know about it yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a new and upcoming health feature in ChatGPT that can completely change how we understand health, fitness, and medical guidance using AI. This is not a replacement for doctors, but it is a smart assistant for your health. And this is just the beginning. What is ChatGPT Health feature? ChatGPT's health feature is designed to help user understand health-related topics in a simple, safe, and personalized way. It can help you with understanding symptoms, health lifestyle guidance, diet and fitness suggestions, mental wellness support, medical terms explained in easy language. Step 1. How to access it. First of all, open ChatGPT on your mobile or desktop. Now, when you ask health related questions, ChatGPT responds in a more structured, careful, and health focused way. In future updates, this health section will be more visible and dedicated, similar to a smart health assistant. Step 2. How it works. You can ask questions like, why do I feel tired all the time? What is a health diet for daily energy? Explain this medical report in simple English. ChatGPT analyzes your question and gives easy explanation, safety focus answers, clear next steps. Step 3. Real use case. Let me give you real life example. If someone has a medical report and does not understand it, ChatGPT can explain it in normal language. If someone wants to improve sleep, diet, or fitness, ChatGPT can guide step by step. This is extremely useful for students, busy people, and even elders. Important warning, very important for trust. One important thing, ChatGPT does not replace doctor. It helps you understand problems, learn healthy habits, decide when to consult a professional, always consult a medical expert for serious conditions. Why this feature is the future? Healthcare is expensive and confusing for many people. AI like ChatGPT makes basic health knowledge accessible to everyone. In the future, AI health assistants will be everywhere, and this is just a starting point. Why you should care? If you care about your health, fitness, and mental peace, this future can save time, money, and stress. And if you are a content creator, this is a gold man topic for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to JK Future Tech. I post daily videos on AI tool, future tech, and smart techs, so you never miss what's coming next. Comment below if you want a full demo video on this health feature.